saw this video this morning on Instagram. He did this to the blanket in one try and it was like perfectly done. I'm gonna give it a try. And if you're wondering why I'm wearing a beanie at home, obviously. This is the closest I can get to it. Not too bad, not too bad. Come try this thing with me.
What? Oh, this is like how they do it in hotels.
Yeah. Like in one try though. But it was like perfect. I don't know how he did it.
Okay.
Oh, that's pretty good. That was a fail. Last night me and Weylie spent all night cleaning this out. It was such a mess. I'll insert a photo here. That's what it looked like before. And today, it looks a lot cleaner. We took out a lot of the things away from it and we decided that each spot should have like its own category. And down here, I bought this bag. I don't know the brand. It's nice to like organize all the chargers. Just like anything that we always use often, but don't want it to like show and like lay around everywhere. This makes me feel so much happier. There's also this little area right here that we cleaned out. There used to be like mail, a lot of random stuff. Cleaned that out. It looks a lot better with just the lotion, the dog treats, things that we need before we leave the house. This little tray right here, I think Weylie got it at Muji. And we keep our keys, coins, box opener, just some sunglasses. Although I think the sunglasses should be separated. Navi, enjoying the sun? You are so cute. I feel like this eyebrow is a lot darker than this eyebrow. So this past week we have been crazy busy. We haven't left the house at all, except one time when we had to, I think we went to pick up food, it might have been. It's kind of a good thing to complain about, I think, but we are mentally drained. Hence the clean laundry we haven't gotten to yet. The biggest thing that we want to get to today is this drawer. Oh my god, look at all this mess. It's just a bunch of random things, and usually when we have things laying around we just throw it in here so that it's less visible. This is no way to live, so hopefully I'll find a way to organize all this and do something about it. However, I am pretty proud of this little coffee station we got going on here. Got our little coffee and tea mugs, the nice ones displaying, the avocado plant, and then the Nespresso, of course. I don't love the red. It was a nice pop of color in the beginning, but I think it's just too loud now. I'm thinking about maybe buying some vinyl wrap and then wrapping the red area right here. That might be nice, but I'm still debating on what color to do it. I'm thinking white. Actually, maybe not white. It might be too white in this area. Maybe like a nude color. What do you guys think? Open to any suggestions, obviously. Yeah, let me know. What color you guys think? Because this red is like, it's like saying, ah, look at me, look at me. Something a little more subtle might be nicer. Come on, you can do it. There it is. Look at how moody this girl is. Just chilling, sitting on a nice chair in the sun. Probably talking smack about me. Talking about how I don't make the bed the way that she does.
Oh. I have changed my outfit a ridiculous amount of times today. I'm wondering if any of you are dealing with the same thing, because we're not really leaving the house. I have a lot of cute clothes that I just want to wear, but when I'm wearing it around the house, the first 5 minutes I'm like, oh, this is nice. But afterwards I'm like, okay, I'm actually just kind of uncomfortable. I am just so tired today. I am tired. For some reason my back is really hurting. I think I just didn't sleep well, so I'm gonna probably use some ointment on my back because it's super stiff right now, and I also have a headache. We'll see how today goes. So my hair naturally is a side split, and for years I've been trying to make it have a solid middle split, but I just can't train it. How does this look, guys? If I look like Lorax, or is it not much of a difference? Is that the middle? No, that's not the middle. Maybe if I just kept it tucked like this all day, eventually. Alright, this is the mess that is our bedroom. Not gonna lie, most of this mess comes from moi. I've been having to fold this laundry that I haven't touched, and it's just a mess in here. Wish me luck. And look at this bookshelf. This is actually supposed to be a plant shelf, but it's a junk shelf. And I actually have these really cute planters here that my friend Jess gifted me, so I'm hopefully gonna hang some plants in there.
Oh, come on! Oh, come on!
Really? Oh, I thought you got it. Oh, hairy legs.
Watch this. You ready? Got him!
I'm in so much pain. What's the left side? Yeah, only this side hurts. You can go harder.
Alright, you guys ready for something scary? Don't be fooled. It looks like we have a lot of food, but a lot of it is like condiments and drinks. So I really want to organize this. I got these organizers for drinks, so that's really nice to have. But the rest is just like things jumbled everywhere. We have some rice from like a week ago. Hopefully I can find something in the store later to kind of just have things in different sections. I think that'll make it look better. Time for a heart to heart. Me, you, and my pimple. I don't do this too often, but I really want to thank you guys all for supporting this channel, and I really can't thank you guys enough for really being so supportive of our content and this channel. I feel like sometimes we take it for granted because it's just day-to-day life where we put up content of us being ourselves and you guys enjoying it. It feels kind of like normal, but this is nothing normal to what I expected of my life, I think. And I think the same goes for Weylie, that you guys are such amazing supportive viewers, and to think that like we just put our daily life online and having people that actually love watching it and support us for being ourselves, that truly means a lot to me. What else? I don't know, I'm just like freestyling this, so yeah, I just really want to say thank you to everyone, and thanks to all of our sponsors for this vlog. We've worked with so many brands, and it's crazy to think that big companies would want to work with us, and I just want to show some appreciation and thank you HelloFresh. You guys have been so supportive of this channel for so long, and it's really sponsors like them that really keep this channel going, so thank you everyone. Anyways, I also want to thank HelloFresh for sponsoring this video. If you've never heard of them, they have amazing recipes with fresh ingredients delivered to your door, and you can save a lot of time since you don't have to go to the grocery store and plan your recipes. Everything comes in a box, but then you really get to choose what's inside. You get to choose the recipes, and you can add extra proteins or extra meals if you like. Everything is done online, so it's super nice and easy. They donated 2.5 million meals to charity last year, and this year, because of the coronavirus crisis, they're actually stepping it up, and I think that's amazing. That says a lot about a company. Another reason why I really like them is that every time I cook one of the recipes, it's really fun because I'm learning from that recipe, and it's also a really fun activity to have with like your family, your loved ones. If this is something that you want to try, go to HelloFresh.com and use our code. You can get $90 off, and including free shipping on your first box.
Bon appetit!
Bon appetit!
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
It's so lemony.
I love the lemon zest and the Parmesan.
Very creamy too.
Wow. Super simple. This took like, I think half an hour.
Out of all the HelloFresh recipes we've tried, This would be in the top 8. Like MySpace. I don't know why I said 8.
Top 8. It took me a second to really like soak in the flavor, but the lemon zest made a huge difference. I would have never thought of adding lemon zest into my pasta, and this is so good. You guys have to try lemon zest in your lemon pasta.
So last night, Money peed on this rug, my vintage rug. It was kind of a blessing in disguise because I actually needed to wash this rug. It's been so long. I think I've had it for 2 years, and it's a vintage rug on top of that. So we can already imagine how dirty it truly is. And after I saw Sophie's dad wash her vintage rugs, I'm like, oh, light bulb. So I just washed it last night, and this is the front side. I was just drying the back. It actually looks a little more vibrant. It feels so clean. Ready to bring it back in the house. Yeah, that was perfect.
Alright, so I'm looking at the Container Store, and they have these sliders that are wooden. They look very nice, but they can pull out and you can store things, and that's nice because for that little pantry cabinet area, a lot of times we need to reach the things in the back, and to do that we have to take the things in the front out of the way first. That's just kind of annoying, so I think this would be great.
Hello, thank you for calling the Container Store. This is Samuel. Yeah.
I'm trying to look to see if you guys have an item. Are you able to check for me? It says that you have 4 online, but I live kind of far, so I want to make sure you guys do have it before I make the trip.
So it's telling me that I have 6. Let me just do a physical check.
It feels so nice to be out. We drove quite a way here, so I don't know, it just feels a little like special because we've just been staying in our neighborhood. Anyways, we're getting these, what are they called? A roll-out cabinet drawer. They have this wood finish. They have like some stainless steel ones too, but we wanted it to look pretty, so we're gonna go with the wood ones. Is that cheaper? The wood ones are expensive. Oh really? Then I'd go with the wood so it's consistent. I think this is what I bought for underneath the kitchen sink, or like something similar to this. So many options. Yeah, this is what we have right now.
But this is like, the mesh just, it looks messy. It's
Yeah.
nice when you can't see it.
Yeah.
I don't know why I need this, but I feel like I want it. Just want to put things and grab it.
It'd be cute in the bathroom for makeup products.
Yeah.
In case you're wondering, all my masks that you've been seeing, they're from Christy Dawn. And I really like how snug they fit. There's no gaps, or like the gap is very small, so these are really nice. And they're doing a sale on their website right now.
Where are we going now?
I mean, since we're already here, might as well go to the food court.
It would be a shame if we didn't,
It
huh?
would be a shame.
It
We
would
drove
be.
all the way out here, used like half of my car battery. We have to get something.
Something healthy? No?
Such thing. Well, I do want the Shake Shack fries. I was this close to getting a burger, but I decided I will be healthy today, so I got a salmon salad from Thunder Dream. So proud of myself right now.
You guys, I'm so excited. So I was already looking at it, but then when I saw it on Amazon, they had a flash sale.
What could it possibly be?
Oh, it's a lot bigger than I thought. It's called the phone soap. It just has like UV light that kills bacteria. So we usually like to come home and like sanitize everything with alcohol or like some type of sanitizer.
The spray.
And having this will be amazing because we can clean our phones, we can clean cash, we can clean our wallets, basically anything that fits in here. And the 2 things that we clean the most are 1, our phones, and then 2, our keys.
So, we're gonna put it to the test.
But how can we test it?
I know,
Like,
we will
if-
never know. It's
I
like,
know.
what if
They
it's
could
not
be
even
lying.
doing anything? And then we just got played.
I know, they could be lying.
I am in my jammies and I'm ready to eat. Brown rice. Looks like they actually seasoned it. That's good. Ooh, I should put my truffle salt on that.
4, 3, 2, 1, and it's done.
This is my first time getting their plates, and I think this is pretty good, but I think next time I'll just go with one of their salads because I really love the variety they put inside their salad. Like this kind of feels a little simple, which is fine, but I was kind of feeling something more tonight. But it's still really good.
Alright guys, we are gonna get to this, so I'm gonna do a little before. There's so much behind there that's being hidden, you guys can't even see it. And then I guess I'll show you guys the after.
I've been dreading this,
look
but
at this.
we're doing it. What's that? Oh my god. This was one of our first photos together. And why were we wearing that to the beach? Wow!
It's a sophomore year.
Can you get that haircut again? That's kind of nice.
Really? I'll do it right now. Alright, say no more. Why you so mad?
While you do this, I will do this. Oh gosh. Okay, so I don't even know what happened here.
We basically cleaned all night last night and we forgot to vlog it. We actually didn't use 2 of the 3 sliders that we got. It was fine, but I'll show you guys right now. I'm very proud of ourselves because we got rid of a lot of stuff. It just needed some organizing really. It wasn't like I thought there were gonna be a lot more things to throw away, but we just had to organize it. That's about it for this vlog, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna get to editing this vlog and see you guys in the next one.